Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this back here. Hey. Well, now I'm gonna show you how to fix the brake lights in this LLV. You know, I told you that the post office uses mini trucks to deliver your mail. You know what I'm saying? And if you step on the brake right and you don't get no light, like those lights that I just showed you, if they don't turn on, it's because it's time. It's not a fuse, it's not you know, because 3 lights at the same time, it's kind of funny. So what we're gonna do is replace the switch. You see, this is the brake switch. You see that white button, and it goes away when you release the brake. You press the brake, see it. That's what activates the brake light. So we're gonna replace this. All you gotta do is pop these connectors. They have like 1 and 2 nails. This one's broken though. And then this one right here. It's the same as this, but it's in there. Okay. This side and the other side. Right there, you see the other nail. Click, whatever you call it. Whatever you want to call it. So yeah, pop those, and then this is the old switch. Now you just pull it like that, and it's gonna come out. Or you can twist it. You know what I'm saying, twist it on, or twist it off if you want to pull it out. But if you want to install it, let's say you want to remove it, just pull it, and it's gonna come out. Okay, this is the old brake switch, and then the new one, you just push it in, and that's it. And just, you know, try to measure, you know, the distance. That's it. Pretty much it. I'm gonna show you. Alright, I'm gonna use this stick against the seat. Now you see that it's working right now. So yeah, it's the switch. Okay, if you ever have that problem, for those mechanics that I work for, the USPS, you know, United States Post Service, those mechanics, if you ever encounter this type of problem, you know how to fix it now. Alright, and that's pretty much it. This is how you fix it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the subscribe button, destroy it, bang it. You know what I'm saying? And also do the same with the like button and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me if you know how to. If you know it's something else or I did it wrong, anything you need to say, just put in the comment box for me. Alright? And I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I hope you like the video how to fix this type of problem in LLV, the US Post Office truck, the small one, the mini one. Alright, and I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Holla at your boy. Estuvo, bro. Hey!